Theory of Infiltration by Shinobi. Again, this is Natori Ryu. We are working from different books, but basically you want to start with the Book of Samurai series and go through there. And we're using our Natori workbooks, blank workbooks. But we got this. This is the Theory of Infiltration by Shinobi. So this pink area is the enemy territory. Yeah, that's where you want to go. What you've got to do is you've got to plan beforehand. You don't just go in and mill about. You've got to really have a plan beforehand. Of course, be used to getting ready to change. That plan must be light-hearted. By that I mean it isn't like overcomplicated. It must be light and easily changeable if there's a problem. Not too many working parts. You've got to have lots of information beforehand, but you've got to move with speed and never go slow. So this is what it means. We've got a quick entry. Doesn't mean just rushing blindly. What it means is you've been planning, you're waiting, and there's a gap. And when that gap opens, don't be like, creep a bit, I'll go a bit that way, and I'll test the ground that way. It's like, just do it, just get in there. So you've got to have that feeling that you attack with haste and go in. If you do it with too much slowness, you'll sort of get caught by someone. There's too many steps along the way. You're trying to change your direction or edge things there. You know, Shinobi stands back, waits, gets his plan, and when there's a moment, goes in. Now, this is theoretical, meaning that you change your approach depending on what you're doing. But the point being is, when you're going in a house, you've got to do it with speed. But that doesn't mean be noisy. It means, don't be just like, make your plan. If there's a distraction, whatever it is, if it's too noisy to get through, don't try and do it really slow. Just sort of like find the place, wait for a night of rain and wind to get rid of the noise. But then when you do, get in quick and get through. Don't be just there for hours. Yeah, if it's getting into enemy territory, you're looking for gaps in the guards and everything, just wait. And then when you see it, go for it, and do it. And that is the theory of Shinobi Infiltration according to Natori Ryu.